Hello YouTuber, I'm going to show you today how to wiring 3-pin LED rocker switch. It goes like this. So it has 3 pin. The right 2 pin for the positive from the light to this terminal, from the light to this terminal, to this pin. From this pin also goes to the fuse to the positive terminal. This fuse for protect your device or light. This switch have the LED indicator here. When you operate the switch, this will light. How it will light? By this terminal. This pin goes with the black second end of your light, together goes to the negative terminal. Okay, so when you switch the light, the LED light will lighting, and that's it. Very easy, very simple. If you see just for this diagram how I made it, it will explain everything to you. Okay, so this one goes there, and these two, this one, and goes there. Thank you for watching.